Well, this is Robert Owen, and honestly, I didn't know what to expect. Hopeful, uh, wanting it to be a positive experience. Just a little bit about myself and how I wanted to get involved with Drone Command in this seminar. Um, I'm a veteran, and I was injured 20, 24 years ago. I'm 100% on 100% VA disability. And after I was medically discharged from the military, um, struggling, struggling to know what to do, million ideas of things that I thought I could do, wanted to do, dealing with the Veterans Administration was a battle. Um, it wasn't until 2014 that I finally was able to get a 100% disability rating from them. I wanted to start a business, but really had no idea what that was. I kicked around the idea of gunsmithing and wanted the VA to help me with that, but that was just went around in circles. It was just lost a lot of time. Anyway, it was probably about, I'm going to go back maybe 5, 6 years ago. I started looking into drones, started learning about them, and thought, well, maybe I could start a business doing something like that. And it really intrigued me and was kind of exciting. But it, it never materialized. And anyway, we were living up in Kuski, Idaho, out in the middle of nowhere in the mountains. Beautiful place, but a place that we were struggling. Anyway, 2.5 years ago, we sold our place up there and we moved down here to eastern New Mexico. And again, we bought, well, we have a beautiful place here, 40 acres, and we love it. Raising pigs right now, and I love the pigs. But I still want so much to start a business for myself for once in my life. And I see this drone command. I see this as something incredibly positive and something that I, I just didn't realize what the opportunities, what what they are, what's out there, and I want to be a part of it. And I believe I can be a part of it. And I'm so thankful I found this. And I'm trying. I honestly, Damon, I don't even know how I found it now. I just can't remember. I'm just thankful for it, and you guys are great, and I'm just really excited about it.